check out the beach. Bro, I didn't do anything.
Back together, the softball. They're all hard. Yeah.
Come on. Come on, fish. Fish, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fish. 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 Low tide. Come on. Just eat this sucker out there. Finally! Action! Yeah. Fell off.
22?
It's bigger than it does, right?
Yeah.
It's gotta be 18, right?
Yeah. Flip it.
Okay.
Flip it. There you go. 22.
22.
22.
Ooh. 3.72. Woohoo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, someone else got one, dude.
Yeah, it's hidden right now, maybe.
Yeah, stay over there. Yeah, go and stay over there. Where's the here. Go ring. I got it.
Oh, you got me. Filleting my first striped bass ever from the surf, or just really my first ever striped bass. Let's see. Cut right behind the head. Fin. Make sure not to puncture any guts. Flip it around. Slide your knife here. Go against the body, or the spine, go against the spine, go all the way down. Try to stay as close as you can to the back, but not go through the spine. And from here, you can just slide your knife through. All I'm gonna do now is just slide my knife on the ribs, trying to get as much meat as I possibly can. Slowly, just peeling away all the meat until you can just slice the rest away. And find the pin bones, which are right here. Stop right there, so I'll just make a cut right there and make a cut right there. Boom. I got a boneless, skinless fillet of my first ever striped bass. Salt and pepper. To make your fish fry seasoning, what you're going to do is you're going to use 1 bag of Louisiana fish fry, and you're also going to use quarter of a bag of Louisiana fish fry Cajun. Alright, just gonna add a little bit of butter. Crumbling away. Perfect white meat. Ooh. That is the end of the video, and I really hope I don't get sick from eating this striped bass, as I've heard a lot about how they have a lot of toxins and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Suspicious guts. That feels like a sand crab.
Probably.
This feels like a sand crab. Yeah. Another one. Oh, this smells so bad.